Are you looking for a way to mount your GPS to your motorcycle? Hi, I'm Radar Roy from radardetector.org. In this video, what I'm going to do is explain some of the options you have to choose from when mounting your GPS to your motorcycle. Now, the first option you have are these ram mounts. Now, these ram mounts use a U-bolt here that attaches to your handlebar, then these thumb screw things here with this black tube. Very large. These are a mount everything to anything, right? Kind of ugly. And personally, I wouldn't want to mount one of these to my motorcycle. The next option you have are these mounts. They're manufactured in China. They're sold by a number of companies here in the US. These are actually made in China. They're made of pot metal. Now look, I can put my finger right inside of these. They're very, very flimsy. Now the problem you have with these is, you tighten them down. Even when they're brand new, just tighten them down. If you tighten them down too far, you'll actually crack the metal because they're so thin. Also, the finish starts to wear, so I don't recommend these either. Now, what I do recommend are these mounts from TechMount, all right? TechMount just came out with their new universal Gen 4 mounting system. This is their chrome handlebar mounting system. Now, look at this and look at this. I mean, which one would you rather have on your bike, right? Kind of a no-brainer. Now, what I'm going to be sharing with you in this particular video is on how to mount your Garmin Nuvi GPS using the ram cradle. And I'm going to share with you two mounting options. The first mounting option I want to share with you is using the new TechMount Harley Davidson fairing mount. It's the Batwing mount. Now, basically what this mount involves is basically, this is their mount, and it's got three little bolts that come out of the back, actually three rubber brushings. And what you do is you drill three little holes inside your Batwing, and then you just mount this in there, and then you just tighten down these brush wings. Now, these come with the extender right here. The tube extender has a 17mm hole, round ball on it. And what that is meant to do is to basically fasten just like that. Now, they have the holders right here. And I'll show you basically how this works. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do is just kind of put this little ring on the shaft, all right? And then you just put your cradle right here on the shaft, you tighten it down, and there's your ram mounting cradle. Now, what we have on this is a AMPS 4 mount, and it's going to attach to any ram mounting cradle. Next, we take our GPS. This is the Garmin. And we just snap it right in there like that, and there you go. Here's your GPS. It's right here up on the dashboard where you could actually see it and navigate. Now, those of you that don't have a Harley Davidson with the fairing, another opportunity you have is the handlebar mounts and the control mounts. So I'll share with you basically a little bit on how the handlebar mount works. This is the chrome handlebar mount. This fits 7/8 through 1 1/4 inch handlebars. Also includes the 17mm round ball on top. Now, these are universal handlebar mounts. And you can see, unlike those other ones I shared with you, these are solid. These are CNC machined out of solid billet aluminum. So they're, really one piece, are really nice. Anyway, what you do is you slide that over the mounting system and you just tighten that right down. Let me get that right there. You can see how that guy just fixes right on. It's real easy to do. Now, this would be attached to your handlebar, and now all you have to do is take your Nuvi, and there you go. Now, there are a lot of other devices that you could also use to connect to the system. This is the iPhone with the Roqueform case, and what they use on this system is the Roqueform adapter, okay? And again, this just mounts right onto your TechMount mounting system, and you can see right there, so you just attach that right down and it clicks and locks in place. So that's if you want to put an iPhone on. Those of you that like radar detectors like I do, this is the radar detector mount. Same kind of system. It would just basically bolt right on top. And I like riding with tunes, and this is my XM radio. So basically the same system. You would take the AMPS 4 mounting part and put it right on top. Mounted here, mounted on top of your handlebar mount or your universal control mount. We have a number of mounting options. Now, what I encourage you to do, if you'd like some more information about these mounting systems, is go to the website handlebarmounts.com. This is a website that has a lot of all the TechMount equipment on it. And what's really cool about this website, once you find something that you like, you just click it and it's going to take you right to Amazon. All right, now you're all familiar with Amazon, fast shipping, secure shopping. In fact, handlebarmounts.com through Powersports US, they have a 5-star ranking. So guys, that's what I would recommend you do. Now, if you have any questions about radar detectors, that's my particular niche. You know, email me direct. My personal email is radarroy@radardetector.org. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please remember one thing for me. Please drive safe and please ride smart. Have a great day. Bye-bye.